What is vascular dementia? Vascular dementia is the second most common type of dementia. It is caused by problems with the blood supply to the brain. Nerve cells require oxygen and nutrients to survive. Without them, they will become damaged or die. Cells are provided with oxygen and nutrients by a network of blood vessels in the brain. When the blood supply to the brain is interrupted, for example by a sudden blockage or a leak, this is called a stroke. A stroke can cause significant damage to parts of the brain. When the parts of the brain responsible for memory, thinking, or language are damaged in this way, a person will have difficulty remembering things, thinking, or speaking. These are all symptoms of vascular dementia. Sometimes, a single large stroke is enough to cause the symptoms of dementia. This is known as post-stroke dementia. This scan shows damage to the brain of someone with post-stroke dementia. In other cases, a person may experience a series of smaller strokes that gradually cause damage. This is known as multi-infarct dementia. Following a stroke, a person's symptoms may remain constant for a while. Then, if the person has another stroke, they may notice a sudden worsening of symptoms. This is known as a step-like progression. Small vessel disease is where there is a narrowing of the blood vessels deep in the brain. Small vessel disease is the most common cause of vascular dementia. As the narrowing affects more small blood vessels and more of the brain becomes damaged, the person will experience a gradual loss of abilities. Usually, people with small vessel disease notice a slowing of thinking and problem solving. For example, taking longer to think of a word and write it down. Evidence suggests that lifestyle factors that promote a healthy blood supply, such as regular exercise, not smoking, and eating a healthy diet, could help to reduce the risk of vascular dementia. There is currently no cure for vascular dementia. However, by controlling underlying cardiovascular diseases which affect the blood supply, such as high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and heart disease, it may be possible to slow down the progression of the condition. Vascular dementia will affect people differently, depending on the parts of the brain that are affected. However, a common symptom is having problems with planning and organising, or with concentrating. It can help to break complex tasks down into smaller steps, and to make sure that environments are not too busy or noisy.